In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Mailchimp. If you've ever wanted to create professional-looking email campaigns, grow your audience, or keep your subscribers updated with your latest content, you're in the right place. In this beginner-friendly walkthrough, I'll guide you step-by-step through setting up your first email campaign in Mailchimp so you can confidently build your mailing list, design engaging emails, and track how your campaigns perform. To begin, open your browser and go to the Mailchimp website. On the homepage, look for the Sign Up button and click on it to start creating your account. You will be asked to enter basic information such as your name, email address, and a secure password. Make sure you use an email that you can access, because Mailchimp will send a verification message to confirm your account. After filling in your details, check your inbox and open the confirmation email from Mailchimp. Click the verification link inside the message to activate your account. This step is important because it secures your profile and ensures your contact data is protected within the platform. Once your account is active, you will be taken to your Mailchimp dashboard. Now it is time to add your audience. In Mailchimp, your audience refers to the list of people who will receive your emails. Go to the Audience section and select Add Contacts. From here, you can choose how to add subscribers. You may import a file if you already have a list, paste email addresses manually, or add contacts one by one. If you are just starting out, even a small list is completely fine, as you can always grow it over time. After setting up your audience, you are ready to create your first email campaign. Click on Create, then select Email. Mailchimp will give you different campaign types, such as regular or automated. A regular campaign is ideal for newsletters and announcements, while automated campaigns are used for scheduled sequences triggered by user actions. Next, give your campaign a clear and meaningful name so you can easily recognize it later. After that, move on to designing your email. Choose a template that fits your message and style. Once selected, you will enter the drag-and-drop editor, where you can customize your email layout. Add your text, insert images, include buttons, and adjust colors and fonts to match your branding for a consistent and professional look. Before sending, always preview and test your email. This allows you to see how it will appear in your subscribers' inboxes. Sending a test email to yourself is also recommended to ensure everything looks correct, including links, formatting, and images. When everything is ready, select your audience, write an engaging subject line, and decide whether to send the email immediately or schedule it for a later time. After your campaign is sent, you can review its performance in the Reports section. Here, you will see open rates, clicks, and other useful insights that help you improve future campaigns. And that's it. You've successfully created and sent your first Mailchimp campaign. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.